Next on the deadliest earthquakes of history is the Haiyuan earthquake, also referred as the Gansu earthquake. Let's get to it, Ms. Yewon.
The Haiyuan earthquake happened on December 16, 1920 on 10:07 p.m. No warnings were reported. The epicenter was on Haiyuan, so it's called Haiyuan earthquake, also known as the Gansu earthquake. It is also known as the second or third deadliest earthquake in China ever, or third or fourth most devastating earthquake in history, with aftershocks for 3 years. Haiyuan had the most damages by this earthquake, which Ms. Lakota will be telling in a few minutes. This massive earthquake of Richter magnitude scale 7.5 and 12 in Cali, which means catastrophe.
Magnitude is the number geologists assign to an earthquake based on its size. It is determined by seismic waves and fault movement. What is a fault? A fault is a fracture or crack in the rock in the lithosphere, or somewhere near there, and is the main cause of earthquakes around the world. They produce seismic waves that Ms. Yewon would explain soon. This earthquake, the Haiyuan earthquake, measured 12 in the Mercalli scale, which means a huge amount of destruction, 12 being the highest number in the Mercalli scale, meaning that the Haiyuan earthquake had great catastrophic destruction.
To measure its seismic waves, and over to measure magnitude. The Haiyuan earthquake was measured with a magnitude of 7.5 on a Richter scale. What is seismic wave? What is seismograph? Seismic waves are waves on the earthquake's energy caused by the fall. A seismograph is the tool or instrument used to measure the seismic waves.
A focus point is the area beneath Earth's surface, where the rocks under the stress breaks. The epicenter is the point on the surface directly above the focus point. For the Haiyuan earthquake, it was on Haiyuan. This earthquake involved the Eurasian and Indian tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are big pieces that create Earth's land and crust.
See that like tunnels over there.
The Haiyuan earthquake killed more than 70,000 people who lived in Haiyuan, which is the epicenter right here, and more than 30,000 people in Haiyuan, which is over here. V1 or 6 to X or 10 damage happened in 7 cities, including major cities of Langzhou, Taiyuan, Xi'an, Xinjiang, and Sichuan. Because of this, earthquakes and landslide happened in the Suji and of Xinji country that buried the entire village. This is over here. Virtually every house was destroyed or collapsed in the city of Langde and Huiyin. This was felt from the Yellow Sea to Qinghai province. Also, Inner Mongolia in the west to central Sichuan province in the north. The area affected was more than 25,000 square miles, and sieges in lakes and rivers were reported as far as Norway, right around here.
621 miles, there was 1,000 kilometers northwest oriented Haiyuan Fall.
The number of deaths in the Haiyuan country is estimated about 73,000, taking 59% of the population, with approximately 30,000 deaths in the Guan country. The death toll for this devastating earthquake estimates vary, and the exact death toll is still blurry. The reason is depending on the aftermath of the earthquake and aftershocks for 3 years.
The number estimated from the main earthquake is 180,000 from 20,000 more deaths from the aftermath. Other estimates from more research estimates 235,502 deaths from main and 240,000 from aftermath. Though the most recent and most thorough estimates 273,000 deaths from the whole thing is 7,700.
This devastating earthquake in history is well known for its aftershocks for 3 years and its damage it caused in Haiyuan.
It has killed thousands and has affected so many, has definitely put its place as the third deadliest earthquake in history.